Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix could not find the recovery environment in Windows 11. So if you're having this issue and when you hit the reset PC button, you can't find the reset this PC environment, I will show you how to fix this issue. So the first thing that you can actually do is to open the start menu and search for command prompt. Now you need to right click and hit on run as an administrator. Hit on yes, and now from here you need to write RE agent C space and then forward slash. After that you need to write enable. Click on enter, and now you need to see operation successful. So if this doesn't actually work for you and it doesn't say operation successful, you need to write SFC then space forward slash and then write scan now. Hit on enter. So again, after doing this command, you need to write this command again, which is RE agent C space forward slash enable. Hit on enter and make sure that it says operation successful. After that, you can just close command prompt and go back to the recovery options and hit on reset PC. So if this didn't work with you too, you need to open the start menu and search for create a recovery. So you need to click on create a recovery drive, and now you need to actually plug in a USB drive so you can make a recovery USB drive so that now you can actually recover your PC without any problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.